Hi friends, myself Manvi Sharma. I am teach you reproduction. First of all, we talk about the reproduction. Reproduction is a process we give rise to the young ones. Of which age reproduction is occurs. First of all, reproduction occurs we can get mature and grow, mature and turn to produce. Just like the age of puberty we can cross, then can be able to reproduce. What is a reproduction? The reproduction is a process in which we give rise to the birth to young ones. Just like your mother and father are interact with each other, and then the formation of you. That process is called reproduction. We talk about reproduction, the process we give rise to the young ones birth. Reproduction enable to continuity of specific generation. We can they reproduce only just like your grandmother grandfather are there, then your colleagues, your father and your mother are there, then you and your then occurs generation occurs. First of all, we talk about sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. What is the asexual reproduction and what is the sexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is occurs only a single parents. Just like asexual process occurs only a single parents. One parents can give rise to the birth to young ones, and they can produce their identicals or clones are there. Just like we are not copy to our parents. But asexual reproduction, all animals are their copy to their parents. What is that process occurs? Only asexual reproduction. Only one animals can take part in reproduction. Just like amoeba. We talk about amoeba. Amoeba is animals are there. Only a single cellular organism are there. Then there are one nucleus are there. The nucleus are divided and the nucleus are fully divided into the, and the formation of two animals, and they are identical to their parents. That is called asexual reproduction, and that is called asexual reproduction. One more type of asexual reproduction are there. Just like a vegetative reproduction. We talk about a vegetative reproduction is a small part of their vegetative area of plant. Just all plants are consist of except flower the plant part are there, the leaf, stems, root, antennae, nodes are there. That is a part of vegetative reproduction. But we are talk about all part are reproduce new animals. That is called vegetative reproduction. That part in vegetative reproduction. Just like that we can take a small part of stems are there, then stem are reproduce new plants. Just like a rose, our leaf are reproduced into new plants. Just biofilm are there, their leaf are there, they reproduce new plants, their areas. ठीक है, that is called vegetative reproduction. We talk about the sexual reproduction. What is the sexual reproduction? The sexual reproduction is a process in which the one and two organisms. In this process, only one organism will take part in reproduction. But in this process, two animals are take part in reproduction. Just like asexual reproduction, that is called asexual reproduction. Two animals are take part in reproduction. Just like that, one is a male and one is a female. They can interact with each other. There's one male can produce sperm and female can produce ova. They are fused with each other and the formation of zygote. And then zygote are reproduced into new ones. That process is called asexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. We are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Why are different with each other? They are produce their identical clone. No genetical differentiation between them, and the sexual reproduction are we are genetically different between them. That is called sexual and asexual reproduction. Thank you very much.